Chip, y'all. The best party anywhere.
I'm actually way less stressed at the end of the week here. I've kind of gotten through the big events. I got through more than half of my clothes, I think, changing outfits so many times. So I made some friends, kind of dug into the culture a little bit, had some time to actually go out and have fun. So I'm having a great time, you know?
How much are calendars?
They're $10.
I'll take one. You gonna sign it?
You want change, I assume. Unless you want to be really generous.
A little bit.
And make up for cycle drag not tipping us.
Yeah.
All right, Rick, so I love the mustache here. Are you using, what kind of product you got in your mustache there?
You're not going to believe it. It's Elmer's glue stick, the purple kind.
Elmer's glue stick? All right, why the purple kind?
Because it dries clear and it doesn't move. You can touch it.
You're not supposed to sniff glue.
That's fantastic.
Welcome to the Buffalo Chip 2025.
What's your favorite part? Like, one of your favorite parts? I know there's a lot going on, so there's probably a lot of favorites, but what stands out so far? I know it's, Thursday?
Yeah, man.
We talked to you the first day of the rally. What's your favorite part so far? One of your favorites?
You know what? It's really hard to narrow it down. I love Camp Zero. I don't know how much you've been out to Camp Zero. I know I saw you out there once or twice. But Camp Zero is so fun. It's just a bunch of big kids having fun on little bikes, being chaotic and getting into trouble. And then they got me out there on a mini bike yesterday, riding through that monster wall with everybody. That was a blast.
On the 1,000-pound road glide out of Sacramento, California, for my boy, C.J. Barham. Show me some. Show me some.
What is your Instagram for all the viewers out there?
It is _bomb_show with an E _.
Awesome. Great to see you out here. Are you doing any other rallies this year, or?
I don't know. I was debating on doing the Ocean City one, but my cousin's getting married that weekend, so I can't make it. And not Ozarks and Ocean City are the same.
Right.
So I can't do all.
Right. Will you be at Myrtle Beach again?
Oh yeah.
In the fall too?
Most likely.
Everybody front to the back, side to the side, hands up. Come on. Come on. 3, 2. Get up, get up. Hell yeah. You're going to want to find your way down there. You'll see what we
legend in the game. Call him the GOAT. If he ain't in his C6 Corvette drift, he's probably golfing. And if he ain't golfing, he's probably hanging out with his beautiful daughter. And if he's not doing that, he's on his Harley Davidson. Make noise for the legend, C-Bear Stunt.
It's kind of slow and fall, I don't know.
Yeah, well, I mean, last year I don't know, with the hurricane and everything in North Carolina, that made everything really slow.
Yeah.
But, I mean, we still did good. It was just more time.
Is this still your last Buffalo Chip?
I keep telling everybody that because I won it twice. They won't let me. Town's gonna be quiet. They can't do that. I personally don't even want to go to finals. Just because if they call my number, I'm just gonna take off my number. I'm gonna shove the girl in front of me, like, just, you go. I have my time. It's like Mufasa. Like I've had my time.
You went back to back, or no? It was you and then Kimmy and then you, right? Were you last year or the year before?
Last year. That's why I came back again. So last year was supposed to be my last year, and I was like, shit.
Already qualified for the finals?
Not yet.
So you haven't even qualified.
Not yet. So.
Right. Can I get a photo? 3, 1, 2, 3. Step out here into the light just a little bit. There we go. That's better. 1, 2. Yeah, that's good. I think you'll like that one.
Keep watching for Buffalo Chip.
I'm voting for this one.
There's one with 2 guns on the back. That would be bad. I think it's back there.
Welcome to the Big Engine Bar. Hope you're enjoying the bike show.
A loser.
So how many years you been judging this? 24. 24. Awesome. This guy.
Next gentleman, step over here for me. All right. Sir, what's your name?
Cody A.
Cody A? All right. Cody, where are you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Holy shit. Give me just a second. I'm going to speak with the boss lady. I tip you. Here you go.
Unlike other creators.
We're making up for cycle drags.
Well, the worst part is, he was doing a live and one of our girls was like, hey, like, we only work for tips, which is true. And he's like, oh yeah, we'll hook you up, and like walked away and continued filming us for 40 minutes.
Baby's following us together, baby, because this whiskey ain't working on me. You gotta miss, you gotta wonder what to do. Down the road in Tennessee. Everyone else is having a normal ass plain Jane Wednesday.
You should have been in the beer
First, second, and
contest
third.
today,
Who was
anyway, by the
first?
way. Okay, what I'm going to have you do, my friend, we're going to move this along here. What I'm going to have you do, by the way, is okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, just Chris and Monster Energy drink. Gonna make you feel more better tomorrow morning. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. I was gonna run out and photobomb that puppy right there. So as I mentioned, I was talking about whiskey here.
Are we all a little bit Irish tonight? A little bit, yeah? Are we all? Here comes contestant number 1. This is Erin Marie from Nashville, Tennessee.
By the way, today at the down at the big engine, look at that shit. That's two lady riders up there ready to go, man.
How you doing tonight, Buffalo Chip? Yeah, you guys are gonna need some energy tonight for all we got going on. Come on over to our tent. We got 4 great flavors you can try. That's ice cold.
And her height is short, sweet, and knows how to turn up the heat. Her measurements, she said, why don't you come out and find out for yourself. With auburn hair and ocean blue eyes. That is number 5.
I'm all wrapped up. I got 2nd-degree burns. My leg and everything. Leg caught on fire. Unbelievable. Yeah, it was rough. Dude, that's crazy. Unbelievable, bro. So we have 1 leg left, bro. Come on. Yeah. Legs off. I need you to take care of that other leg. Yeah. One foot in the grave already, but guys, we had a lot of fun. Sturgis Buffalo Chip 85th anniversary of Daytona AC Wheelies. Give me a shout, give me a like, keep up with these boys. And out of this bitch.
Last call my hands. No shade over like a mystery
Buffalo Chip Pageant. This is a swimsuit round of competition. Teeny weeny, nearly nothing bikini.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. up here, the Freedom Celebration.